Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to get Baseball 9 free gems and coins. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, scroll down and tap on General to access System Settings. Then, scroll further and tap on Background App Refresh. This feature allows apps to stay up to date in the background. Next, tap Background App Refresh again. From the options, choose Wi-Fi and cellular data so app can refresh using both types of internet. Now, go back to the main settings screen and tap on Battery. Here, turn off low power mode by switching the toggle. If this mode is on, it may limit how your apps work. After adjusting those settings, open your web browser like Safari or Chrome. Now, go to itwicked.net by typing it into the address bar. Once the page loads, search for Baseball 9 in the search bar. If you find it, tap on the link. Next, go to itwickinstall.net. Here, you'll find the relevant option, tap on it to proceed. Finally, click the button below to start the process. Wait for any instructions that may appear and follow them carefully. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.